Hi friends, welcome back to Manha and Amira's channel. My name is Manha.
My name is Amira.
Today we are going to make a paper frog. So let's start. The things needed to make a paper frog are
Scissors and paper.
So let's start. First we are going to take this paper and we will fold it like this. So, like this. Now, we need to cut this paper. So, my sister cut the paper. Now, we will keep this aside and we are going to take this paper. Now, we will open it. This is a square. We will fold this like this. You can see we need to fold this like this. When this is folded like this, now we will take this edge and fold like this, and like this we will fold and we will open, take this one and come to this end like this. So now my sister will do. Press it, Amira.
Yes.
Here, like this, we need to press. Open, take this paper and put this here.
Press it.
So like this. Here one cross, here one cross. Now when this is done, we will take this, fold like this, put it. We can adjust it. So this also like this. So you can see we put the paper like this. Now we need to do the same for the other side. Take like this, put, take this and put. So we need to do like this. So you can see we folded like this. If you want, I'll show you again. It was like this. We will take this to papers, keep it like this. Take this to papers and keep it like this. So like this it should look. Now we will take this, fold like this side also, take and fold, and do the same to the other side also. Take, fold, take this and fold. Now when we are done doing like this, we are gonna take this paper, keep like this paper, keep it like this. Now my sister will help me doing in this too. Take like this and put it, Amira.
Take like this.
Like this slowly
and put it.
Take like this and put it, and this one also. Do it, Amira.
Okay. So
This one.
This.
No, we need to do like this. So me and my sister did like this. Now we are going to flip it over. Flip this take this one part, fold like this. You can see we fold like this. Now we will take this part, put like this. You can see like this we put, and take this part and also put like this. So like this is done. Now there's a slit in between. We are going to press a bit. We are going to press here, and we need to take this paper. Fold it like this and place it over like this. So you can see. Now when this step is done, if there is some excess parts, here we can cut like this. So you can see our paper frog is ready. We can press here and do like this. So we did one purple and one blue like this. Oh. Then like this and this one too. So both the paper frogs are ready. If you like our paper frog, please like, share, subscribe. Bye.